I created a course, Smartphone Video Ninja, where I showed you how to make wonderful videos, and I uploaded so many videos. As you can see, these are videos, and I uploaded documents. These are documents. Then I uploaded books. These are books, and I am going to show you all of this, how I did it step by step in this video. Watch till the end. Let's jump right into it. Welcome back again to Toy Media. My name is Toy, and on Toy Media I show you how to use your phone and use it in a productive and resourceful manner. Now I'm going to show you how to upload doc, videos and images on Google Drive. Okay, so follow me closely. Now the first one I'm about to show you is how to upload your videos to Google Drive. Now for you to do that, hit on the plus icon. Now I am on Google Drive, so search your Google Drive app, go on it. Now I am on Google Drive. If I want to upload a video, you click on the plus icon, hit on upload. Now when you are in upload, then you can choose on whatever video in which you want to upload. So for me, I can choose this video. Okay, so that is the video uploading. Now for you to make it faster, you check it and then you hit resume. You see, now if this is not going, if your video is not uploading, please make sure to upgrade your Google Drive app. Do you understand that? Upgrade your Google Drive app. Okay, now the second is uploaded. Now the second is your image. How to upload image to Google Drive. Hit the plus icon, hit on upload. Now search for the image. Okay, now if I want to use this image, I'll press, and that's it. So if it's waiting, you go up, then you search for what you are about to upload. You search for it in your taskbar, then you hit on resume. Once you hit on resume, it must upload. You get that? Yes, uploaded. Okay, so I have taught you how to upload image, I've taught you how to upload video, and now I'm about to show you how to upload documents to Google Drive. Now I want to make you to understand that uploading this to your Google Drive makes it forever safe with your Google account. You understand? So don't misplace your Google account, don't lose it for anything. Keep it safe, because all of these documents are encrypted and attached to it. So if you want to upload a document, hit on plus icon, hit on Google Docs. If it's a Google Docs, then you must have downloaded the Google Docs account. Then you can either create the document here. So that's how we move the document, guys. So try that out. Okay, so this is the end of it. Try moving your document, your image, on your videos. Those three things are very important to be safe in your Google Drive, and once you follow this video, you will do all of them with ease. So till next time, I'll see you on my channel on Saturday. Love you all. Peace.